Wake up to the ultimate breakfast delight, crispy egg and cheese toast. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick snack, this recipe is a game changer. Simple, savory, and ready in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. Grab 2 slices of your favorite bread, sourdough or white. Extra crispy, extra delicious. Butter one side of each slice. This is where the magic begins. Flip them over. It's cheese time. Sprinkle that shredded goodness all over. Cheddar, mozzarella, or your favorite blend. Go wild. Now, using the back of a spoon, make a little well in the center for the star of our show, the egg. Carefully crack 1 egg into each well. Exciting, right? Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Perfection. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a touch of butter or oil, and place your slices egg side up. Cover with a lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Anticipation building. You'll know it's perfect when the egg white is set, but the yolk is still runny. Optional garnish? Yes, please. Sprinkle some chives or parsley for that extra pop of flavor and color. Slide onto a plate, let it cool slightly, and dig into your crispy, cheesy, perfectly eggy toast. Enjoy your breakfast game changer.